Hey fellow Kamadians, in a recent video I showed you a recipe for tandoori shrimp. Today we'll continue our adventure into the world of India's amazing cuisine. The Indian tandoor oven is used to cook everything from the Indian bread naan to skewers of flavorfully seasoned meats. Lately, I've been thinking about how a tandoor oven functions and the similarity between it and the Kamado grill. In this episode, I'll be using my Kamado to replicate the cooking techniques of a traditional tandoor oven to cook tandoori chicken. I'll be using 2 pounds of cubed chicken tenderloins. For the marinade, I'll first need to place a cup of yogurt into a strainer to drain out the water. I'll cover the bowl and place it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. To season the yogurt, we need 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 6 cloves of minced garlic, 2 inches of ginger that has been grated, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a pinch of saffron. To extract the flavor from the saffron, I need to add 2 tablespoons of hot water and let it sit for about 10 minutes. When the yogurt is drained, I'll place it into a bowl and add all the other seasoning ingredients. I'll give it a good stir before adding the chicken. When cooking in a tandoor oven, meat is inserted onto a skewer and positioned vertically into the tandoor's chamber. The meat is cooked by the heat of the charcoal as well as the heat radiating from the tandoor's walls. To simulate this, I hung 2 skewers to the top vent of the Kamado. The drawback is that only 2 skewers could fit. But fortunately, it only took about 15 minutes for the chicken to cook through, so I was able to do a couple of batches. I had pretty good luck not having any of the chicken pieces slip off the skewer. But to avoid this from happening, you can insert a lemon or an onion on the base of the skewer. Typically, tandoor ovens are heated to around 700 degrees, so that's the temperature I heated the Kamado up to. All it took was about 15 minutes to cook the chicken. When the chicken is done, carefully take the skewers out and serve. I have to admit, I was pleasantly surprised with the results. It's fun experimenting when you're cooking, and it's even more fun when the results are as tasty as this. Until next time, please subscribe to my channel for more food from all around the world cooked in the Kamado.